to make it easy for people at home to learn about robotics. The project in itself is to develop a robot. All the parts are designed on a 12 by 12 by 12 centimeter size, all pieces together, 79,000 times. So yeah, it's going further and further.
Number 10. Hubo. Hubo, developed by the Korea Advanced Institute of Science and Technology, is a humanoid robot designed for disaster response and rescue operations. Its modular design is a key feature, allowing for easy customization and maintenance. This modularity means Hubo can be quickly adapted with different tools and sensors to suit various emergency scenarios, enhancing its versatility and effectiveness in the field. Hubo is equipped with advanced locomotion and manipulation capabilities, enabling it to navigate through challenging terrains, operate machinery, and perform complex tasks essential for search and rescue missions. Its robust construction ensures durability in harsh environments, while its sophisticated control systems provide stability and precision. Hubo's design prioritizes both functionality and adaptability, making it a vital tool for improving disaster response strategies and ensuring rapid, efficient intervention in critical situations. This robot significantly advances the capabilities of emergency response teams, potentially saving lives and reducing risks during disasters. Number 9. Walker. Walker, developed by UB Tech Robotics, is a versatile humanoid robot capable of both bipedal walking and wheeled mobility. This dual-mode design allows Walker to navigate a variety of environments with ease, from traversing uneven terrain to swiftly moving across flat surfaces. Equipped with advanced AI, Walker excels in navigation and object recognition, enabling it to interact intelligently with its surroundings. The robot's AI capabilities allow it to recognize and respond to objects and obstacles, perform tasks autonomously, and engage in complex human-robot interactions. These features make Walker suitable for a wide range of applications, including home assistance, security, and service industries. Its ability to seamlessly switch between walking and wheeled movement provides flexibility and adaptability, enhancing its functionality in diverse settings. Walker represents a significant advancement in humanoid robotics, combining mobility, intelligence, and practicality for real-world use. Number 8. InMove. InMove, created by Gail Langevin, is an open-source 3D-printed humanoid robot platform designed for enthusiasts and researchers to build and customize their own robots. As the first open-source robot of its kind, InMove enables users to download and 3D print components, assemble the robot, and program its functionalities. This platform fosters innovation and creativity, allowing for extensive customization and adaptation to various applications, from educational tools and research projects to personal hobbies and experimental prototypes. InMove's design includes articulated limbs, a head, and hands, providing a high degree of dexterity and movement. Its open-source nature encourages community collaboration and sharing of improvements, leading to continuous advancements and diverse implementations. By making advanced robotics accessible and affordable, InMove plays a significant role in promoting STEM education, DIY robotics, and collaborative research, bridging the gap between amateur robotic enthusiasts and professional developers.
Today what I'm going to do is control the robot through an iPhone. This is pretty handy because you can create as many sliders as you want. Completely 3D printed robot that anybody can reproduce at home. Can carry the drink up. Drop it like this. That was fast. To make it easy for people at home to learn about robotics. The project in itself is to develop a robot. All the parts are designed on a 12 by 12 by 12 centimeter size, all pieces together, 79,000 times. So yeah, it's going further and further.
Number 7. Petman. Petman, developed by Boston Dynamics, is a humanoid robot originally designed for testing chemical protection clothing for the military. It stands out due to its ability to exhibit realistic walking and dynamic movements, closely mimicking human physiology and behavior. This capability is crucial for evaluating the performance of protective gear under realistic conditions. Petman can simulate human motion such as walking, bending, and even sweating, which allows for comprehensive testing of suits and materials against chemical exposure. Its advanced control systems and sensors enable it to maintain balance and execute complex movements, ensuring that the protective gear is tested for durability, flexibility, and effectiveness in various scenarios. By replicating the stresses and strains that human wearers would experience, Petman helps in the development of more reliable and effective protective clothing, thereby enhancing safety for military personnel in hazardous environments. Number 6. HRP-5P. The HRP-5P, developed by Kawata Industries, is a humanoid robot designed specifically for labor-intensive tasks in industries such as construction and manufacturing. This advanced robot features a robust and versatile design, enabling it to perform demanding tasks that require strength, precision, and reliability. Standing at 182 centimeters tall and weighing 101 kg, HRP-5P is equipped with powerful actuators and sensors that allow it to handle heavy materials, use tools, and assemble components autonomously or in collaboration with human workers. Its sophisticated control systems ensure stability and adaptability, making it capable of operating in dynamic and unstructured environments typical of industrial sites. The HRP-5P aims to enhance productivity and safety by taking on hazardous or repetitive tasks, reducing the risk to human workers, and improving overall efficiency in industrial operations. Its practical applications underscore its potential to revolutionize labor-intensive industries through advanced robotic assistance. Number 5. Koman. Koman, developed by the Indian Institute of Technology, is a humanoid robot engineered to replicate human walking and balancing abilities. It utilizes compliant mechanisms, which are crucial for achieving smoother, more natural movements. These mechanisms allow Koman's joints and actuators to absorb shocks and adapt to varying forces, mimicking the elasticity of human muscles and tendons. This results in enhanced stability and agility, enabling the robot to navigate uneven terrains and recover from disturbances effectively. Koman's design focuses on dynamic balance and locomotion, making it an ideal platform for research in human-robot interaction, biomechanics, and advanced control systems. Its capabilities in natural movement and balance are vital for applications in environments where human-like mobility and adaptability are required. Overall, Koman's innovation lies in its ability to closely emulate human motion, contributing significantly to the field of humanoid robotics.
Go.
Number 4. Exerobot. Exerobot, developed by the Technical University of Munich, is a research project dedicated to creating a humanoid robot with anthropomorphic design and incorporating principles of soft robotics. The primary aim of Exerobot is to replicate the flexibility, adaptability, and intricate movements of the human body. By using a soft, compliant structure, the robot can perform complex human-like motions that traditional rigid robots cannot achieve. The design mimics human musculoskeletal systems, including bones, muscles, and tendons, allowing for a more natural interaction with environments and objects. This approach not only enhances the robot's dexterity and versatility, but also improves safety in human-robot interactions. Exerobot serves as a platform for exploring advanced robotics concepts, contributing to the development of robots that can better adapt to dynamic and unstructured environments, thus bridging the gap between human capabilities and robotic performance. Number 3. Talos. Talos, developed by PAL Robotics, is a highly dynamic humanoid robot designed for industrial and research applications. Standing at 175 centimeters tall and weighing 95 kg, Talos is built to perform complex tasks in challenging environments. It features advanced control systems that enhance its stability and agility, enabling it to maintain balance while walking, manipulating objects, and interacting with its surroundings. Talos is equipped with powerful actuators and sensors, allowing for precise and robust movement and task execution. Its modular design supports customization, making it adaptable to various research and industrial needs such as manufacturing, maintenance, and human-robot collaboration studies. The robot's capabilities in dynamic motion and interaction make it a valuable tool for advancing robotics research and developing practical applications in industries seeking to integrate intelligent robotic solutions into their operations. Number 2. Plen 2. Plen 2, created by the Plen Project Committee, is a compact palm-sized humanoid robot designed for educational purposes and hobbyist programming. Standing at 20 centimeters tall and weighing 600 grams, Plan 2 is highly accessible for users of all ages. It serves as an engaging tool to promote STEM education by providing a hands-on experience in robotics and programming. Plan 2 is open source, allowing users to customize and program the robot using various programming languages. Its modular design encourages experimentation and learning about robotics, electronics, and coding. By building, programming, and modifying Plan 2, users can deepen their understanding of robotic systems and develop valuable technical skills. This versatile and user-friendly robot is ideal for classrooms, robotics clubs, and individual enthusiasts, fostering creativity and innovation in the field of robotics. Number 1. HRP-4C. The HRP-4C, Japan's National Institute of Advanced Industrial Science and Technology, is a humanoid robot designed to resemble a young Japanese woman. It stands at 158 centimeters tall and weighs 43 kg, closely mimicking human dimensions. One of its standout features is its highly anthropomorphic appearance, including realistic facial expressions and smooth body movements, achieved through advanced mechanics and control algorithms. The HRP-4C can express various emotions, which enhances its role in human-robot interaction research, making it ideal for studying social robotics and communication. Additionally, it is utilized in the entertainment industry, capable of singing, dancing, and even fashion modeling. This blend of functionality and lifelike aesthetics positions the HRP-4C as a significant tool for advancing robotics, particularly in applications requiring a human-like presence. That's all for this video, folks. See you next time.